Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John and this is your Modern Tech Breakdown. Today I'm looking at another AI company that got caught with their hand in the cookie jar. This time it's Perplexity. Let's jump into it. Alright, so real quick, if you're not familiar with websites and search engines, you should know that almost every site on the web has a robots.txt file that tells bots that are crawling the web how to treat the site. For example, if you don't want Google to index your site, you just need to specify that in the robots.txt file on your site, and Google's bots will not include your site in search results. That's been in place for decades. And now this technique is coming into play with the rise of the AI startups, and it seems that Cloudflare has caught the AI company Perplexity ignoring the instructions inside robots.txt files, and in some cases obfuscating the source of their traffic by changing their user agent and IP address. So this isn't some accident, this seems like very deliberate behavior from Perplexity. And here's how Cloudflare caught them. They created multiple brand new unused domains that have never been indexed anywhere and created a robots.txt file that disallowed all indexing. So in theory, if you search Google or Perplexity, you should not see any content whatsoever from these brand new domains. However, when Cloudflare asked Perplexity about these sites, the AI responded with detailed information on the exact content that was hosted on the brand new domains. So it seemed that Perplexity was ignoring the robots.txt file completely. Now, as far as I know, this behavior is not illegal. I don't think it's illegal to scrape a website even though the robots.txt file disallows it. But this is something that Anthropic also has been observed doing and was sued by Reddit. So while I don't think the scraping itself is illegal, I think this behavior will not look good if these AI companies get dragged into court for reproducing the content they scraped in the form of chat responses in their products. I think a judge would look at this behavior in a fairly negative light. So given that, I'm not sure where we're going to go from here. Perplexity has a bit of a PR issue to handle, and it might force them to change their practices. We will see on that. But more broadly, this shift away from ordinary Google search results towards AI structured answers doesn't seem like it's going to be all that good for small content creators like personal blogs, etc. This move to AI will force the small players onto platforms that have deals with the big AI companies because their content is going to be much more likely to be seen in an AI chat window than someone clicking on a link. And these big AI companies are probably not going to be looking to make deals with every single small blog out there. So I think the small players are going to be forced onto aggregating platforms. And this will fundamentally change the economics of the web. And as someone who likes the old school free-for-all web, I'm concerned how this is all going to play out, but I guess we'll all see what happens together. But that's all I have on this one for today. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you next time.